Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a 2008 Infiniti G35. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shocks. Lay out your tools neatly and inspect the belt and connector condition. I'll walk you through removing the serpentine belt, unbolting the alternator, testing the new unit, and reinstalling everything so your charging system works reliably. Begin by releasing belt tension using the serpentine belt tool and slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Disconnect the wiring harness and the main power cable, labeling connectors if helpful. Support the alternator and remove the mounting bolts, keeping track of spacers and brackets. Carefully extract the alternator from the engine bay, watching for tight spots or hoses. Set the old unit aside and compare mounting points with the replacement before proceeding. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more handy repair videos. Quick recommendation: after hands-on work that can leave your car smelling less than great, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that fits in any vent. It's a small comfort that makes time in the car nicer after greasy repairs, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator in position, loosely install mounting bolts, and align the unit before tightening to spec. Reattach the main power cable and plug in the wiring harness, cleaning terminals if needed to ensure good contact. Refit the serpentine belt and set proper tension, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine, check for charging voltage at the battery, and listen for unusual noises to confirm successful installation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.